1, 2, 3, let's switch this up. Hey True Beauty fam, and welcome to another video. Today I have this look for you guys. This look is actually inspired by Dose of Colors. They had sent out an email on this like smoky eye look, and I thought it was really pretty, so I decided to try and recreate it with the products that I have. And yeah, I do really like how it came out. It looks really pretty. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Period. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyelids with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Caramel. So I'm gonna dip into my NYX Swear By palette, and I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. Yeah, this shade right here. I'm taking the brown color that was under it, so I have this shade right here. Now I'm going to take this shade and this shade. So I'm going in with the Sephora Crayon Kohl, and this is in the color, oh god, what color is this? Mysterious Blue.
Name another part of the bottom.
And I'm kind of just using this as a base.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were putting that.
Yeah. I'm going to use this as a base for this color right here. Yeah, this color right here. It's like a sparkly navy blue shade. So I'm gonna go in with that. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with my dark brown lip pencil, and then I'm gonna figure out what lip color I'm doing. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. For my lips, I used Beauty Mark and Corset Lip Lock-and-Ray and just mixed it together. For my lashes, I used a pair of Amazon lashes, and then I stacked my Ardell lashes in 250 on top so that they could be a little bit thicker and fluffier. And yeah, this is the finished look. I just realized I don't have any highlighter on, but I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs for highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze, as I was saying, and this is in the shade Guilty. I got this on sale, and a little bit goes a long way. It's so pretty. Yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I don't know if we're gonna be at 100 subscribers when this video goes up, but if we are not, we are very, 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 very close to 100 subscribers. So please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Leave a comment down below of some other things that you want to see on my channel, and yeah, bye.